To my man.
Yeah, what up, Doc? Hey, my nigga.
You see that song that I was telling you that is coming tomorrow?
Which one, Ganene, my nigga?
The one that I was doing it featuring with Aries.
Oh, I remember.
You remember that song?
You finish the song.
You see in that song,
That one was off the charts.
go. Yeah, we're gonna fuck shit up with it. We're gonna fuck shit up.
I know you.
You know me. You know me.
I know you.
Yo, my man, hi.
You've been killing it, my nigga, with Asha. You finish the song with Asha since you do it last week.
All the niggas there in the studio, they say to me that when you do the best song, and I say no, I have a Tape Blue album that is coming with Asha. When am I, man?
So how many albums now have you done, my nigga? Because you're playing too much now, my nigga.
Is this your drink or mine?
No, it's mine. You've drink. Take a look, my nigga. You've been sipping in it, eh? Yeah, I'm singing Coca-Cola.
And you know what, my nigga? I don't want